There are two important components to working on an egg farm. Firstly, looking after the hens so they're healthy and able to produce high-quality eggs, and making sure that those eggs are safe for humans to eat. Your job on an egg farm is critical to helping make sure the eggs produced are eggs that you would be proud to feed to your family. Most of the tasks that you'll perform on this farm are vital to keeping diseases out and eggs safe. If hens can remain disease-free and healthy, they'll deliver high-quality, safe eggs. Introduced bacteria can directly contaminate eggs, making humans sick when they eat the eggs or products made from those eggs. Through the combined efforts of everyone on the farm, a high level of biosecurity protection can be maintained. Biosecurity refers to everything that's in place to prevent disease from entering the farm. Measures such as fencing and site security, pest control, personal hygiene, water treatment, and keeping the farm clean. Biosecurity also prevents disease spreading between the flocks on the farm. Internal biosecurity measures include minimising staff movement between areas on the farm, minimising movement of equipment between sheds, cleaning equipment when it does move between the sheds, regular hand washing, using foot baths, or changing into shed boots when entering every shed. And finally, biosecurity helps prevent the spread of diseases from the farm to other farms. All vehicles and equipment that have entered the farm biosecurity zone and have moved off the farm need to be cleaned. The farm will have personal hygiene and biosecurity requirements for all staff when they leave the farm after a shift. The size or type of farm doesn't matter because biosecurity is important on every farm. A disease outbreak on one farm can create many issues for that farm, but also for neighbouring farms and the entire Australian industry. The health of the birds on farm depends on you maintaining high standards of biosecurity. Some diseases can lead to the entire flock dying and the farm being shut down. Biosecurity is essential to keeping you, the hens, and consumers safe from diseases that may enter or leave the farm. It pays to take biosecurity seriously.